Said, come on, let's jump. No adults. Go with her. She's still in there. Go with Sissy. Go ahead. She's waiting for you. Go. Oh, you want to get him a drink?
A couple minutes, okay? Go in there with her for a minute.
After we're done.
Yeah.
If you want a drink right now, you got to get water. Water fountain. Go with Sissy. Get Sissy. What you see, baby? You're getting teepees, aren't you? They hurt. Those toofies hurt.
You can have nummies, I just don't want you biting at home.
Uh-oh, what was that? Did you get hit? You alright?
Pepe, you okay?
She's following it. They just conked heads. Did you see that? She was looking to see if there's any other kids. She was going to come out, and then he came in and she went back. She loves other kids. Here comes the little girl. Her pants are falling down.